Want to make your videos more dramatic and focus the audience attention on the key parts? With Filmora 14 Mobile, you can do that by adjusting the speed. In this clip, we've got soccer fans anticipating a big event, eventually celebrating when it happens. Now let's adjust this clip so it speeds up at the beginning of the clip and then slows down when they start to celebrate. So with the clip selected, I'm going to click on the speed button at the bottom and then select curve and customize. And so I'm going to look for the part where the fans start to celebrate, which is right around here. And so I'm going to add a beat and slow it down drastically at this point and move this clip much higher. Move this point much higher, and also the starting point as well. So we've got really fast starting and then slowing down afterwards. And after a few seconds, we'll bring it back to normal. So I'll add a beat here, pull that back up, and now hit apply. And so click the checkbox, and now let's run this clip from the beginning. And we can see it's going a lot quicker now, but then slowing down when they start to celebrate. By doing this, you can help focus your viewers' attention on the key parts of the video. And this is just one example of some of the cool effects you can apply right within Filmora 14's mobile app. Check out the app for many other great features.